Oh, hey. So this is my 2022 Hideout by Keystone. It's 18 foot 6 inch, as you can see here. It's basically just for me and my wife. I'm getting ready for the season. Like I said, it's a 2022, so the tires are 4 years old now. I still think they're in really good shape. They've been well taken care of. I actually keep this under like a carport kind of thing in the winter. So I think the tires are actually in really good shape, but you don't have any trouble as you're, out camping going down the road. So I decided, I talked to a couple people about them and they jokingly called these China bombs. And I thought, that's not cool. So I decided I was going to upgrade the tires. Now, there's a lot of talk out there about going with light duty truck tires or just regular, I don't know, I think they're load rated E trailer tires specific. So what I did was I went on etrailer.com, which I've actually purchased from before. Now, I'm obviously not sponsored by them or anything like that. I paid for all this with my own money, but I went on there and checked out what they had. So I'm going to replace these. And actually I ended up, it wasn't very expensive to get a wheel and tire package together. So let me show you what I got. First, let me take you inside here and show you our camper real quick. These are really nice little campers, especially for two people. They do have a layout for kids, but let me show you how it looks, and then I'll get you on the other side and show you what I did. All right, walking up to the camper, you can see the colors are really nice. This is an 18 foot 6 inch. It's got electric awning on it. For as small as these are, they're pretty nice. They're cheaply made, but they have nice steps. 18 foot 6 inch, as you can see. On the right here, it's got a full size bed, and it's nice. The slide out gives you a nice room to sit. That'll also lay down. The dinette there can lay down. You can put people there. Look how clean. Even the floor and everything. It's got a pretty good size refrigerator. And the bathroom, it's got a good size shower. I'm 6'2". I can stand in it. A ton of cabinets there you can see for storage if I moved that door out of the way. And like I said, for two people, just perfect. All right, well, here you go. I went ahead and put the other side on so you guys could check out and see what it looked like. It's a pretty good look. Now, the only thing I was kind of bummed about was my center cap didn't fit. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with that. And I will be contacting them to get them to send me new ones. So let's check it out real quick. All right, there you go. I got the new tire installed. I think it looks pretty good. It would look a lot better if my center cap would fit right, but it would not go through the hole. And I tried my old center cap, it wouldn't fit either. So I guess I have easy access to my bearings until I get that replaced. So it looks super good once those are on there. Now, a couple quick tips. Something really important on trailer tires, especially, is that you have them the correct pressure. So go ahead and make sure you got something, pressurize them correctly. And also, I like to keep this in the trailer with us as we travel. Another thing, you could put them on there with this, but don't get crazy. What I do is I just snug them up, and then I get the torque wrench to torque them to the correct specification. So I've actually heard online of people that have had wheels come off because shops have over torqued their lugs and actually stripped out, and they come off down the road. So go ahead and make sure they're torqued and on there correctly, and you should be good to go. So anyways, this is a little offline. You can see the comparison between my old tire and my new one. So same size and everything, but I just got a long life, I think like Loadmaster Kenda had pretty good ratings on it. And you can do your own research if you want to do light duty truck tires. I decided to go with these. Would you believe these from shipped to your house? I want to say this package was $210 a piece. That's tire and rim together. Now I did have to buy the wrong center caps, and I had to buy lug nuts to make it look right, but $210 a piece, I mean, that's not too bad. And like I said, I'll probably go 4, maybe 5 years on these, and then I'll just keep the rims and put tires on them. But I want to get rid of those old steel black rims, so there you go. Well, I'm Dave with Absolute Car Guys. This is a Absolute Camper rendition. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are camping. Enjoy your summer, because it's hot here. I'm sweating. Ohio, it was, 35 2 days ago, and today it's going to be 80 and humid. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bowie, Izzy, if you're watching, be good.